Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be making Sarson Ka Saag with a very easy recipe. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I've taken 2 bunches of Sarson Ka Saag and now I'm washing them. Now cut it properly. Now I am putting the leaves, the properly cut leaves, into the pressure cooker. Now take 2 bunches of spinach and now wash it properly. Now put it on the heat. This has Sarson Ka Saag plus spinach. Now I've taken 1 bunch of Maithi Leaves and now wash the Maithi Leaves. Now put it inside the big giant pot in which we have the Sarson Ka Saag, the spinach, and now we are putting in the Maithi Leaves. I want to remind you guys again, so there are 2 bunches of Sarson Ka Saag, 2 bunches of spinach and only 1 bunch of Maithi Leaves. Take 2 pieces of ginger. Now just peel off 10 garlic cloves and put them into the pot. Now take 3 onions, cut them and peel them and put them on. Now take 3 radish. Now add in 4 tomatoes. These are little tiny size. And now 10 green chillies. Now as you guys can see how much quantity has been left. Did you guys notice that when we started it was still over here, but now it's right over there and it's all cooking and it's bubbling. Look at this little clump. It's changed colors. It looks like a very nice shade of green. Now cover it. 6 whole red chilies, which are also called button chilies, and 2 tablespoon red chili flakes. Now add in 2 tablespoons salt. Look at the weather outside. It's so pretty. It's actually raining. All done like this. Now we will blend it. Add some milk into the blender. Guys, Cathy's going upstairs. Cathy, stop! Cathy, stop! Cathy, stop! You're not allowed to go upstairs. Now I'm just adding in all the things into the blender. Now after blending, put the blended stuff into the pressure cooker. Now I put everything inside the pressure cooker to make everything soft and blendable. Blending, this is how it looks. Blended. Now add inside corn flour. So guys, now we are all done. So my mom likes to freeze them inside of little plastic containers, and then when you need to eat some. So now guys, I have put it inside a container. And now we will just freeze it. And whenever you need to eat some, you will just take it out and you will make tarika for it. Guys, we will make tarika. Now guys, I'm melting some Daisi Ghee. Take some pasted garlic. Now I put inside the pasted garlic and some cumin seeds, 3 whole red chilies, also known as button red chilies. So just a reminder, this pan contains Daisi Ghee, some pasted garlic, some cumin seeds, and these button red chili. Now pour it on top inside of there. It's bubbling! Oh my god! Look it! So now our recipe is completed. I hope you guys enjoyed.